Hello everyone, and thank you for your interest in AFIEther. AFIEther is practically a smart contract development small project which I created, and the purpose is to bring to you useful smart contracts on Ethereum. And the thing is that I would like them to be innovative and to be useful and bring more value to the community itself. If we navigate to our smart contract, our address, we can see a landing page, and we can see a bit of information about the contracts themselves and what's it all about. We can see then a card. This is our first smart contract, which is the contact application, which I will dive into a little bit earlier. And if you want to support this project, you can make a donation. And last but not least, we have a card which tells us about what are the wallets which this smart contract supports. For now, we support MetaMask, so we have tested it in mobile and desktop as well, so it should work just fine. Plans are to add also support for Coinbase. If you click on the Get Started, you'll see some basic information which you will need before using the smart contract. One important thing to note is this message here. So if you see this icon in the top right toolbar, you don't have any wallet provider. So on desktop, you need to make sure you have all the browser extension installed and configured, and also you should not be in private mode, or if you are in private mode, make sure that your wallet extension works or is active for the private mode. And on the other hand, on the mobile, you need to navigate to this page from your wallet's browser. And it's also important to see some feedback, so please send us any feedback, any suggestions you may have by using the form in this link below. In the about page is not a big deal. We have yeah, if you want, you can visit my blog, you can support, and you can also see the versions down here. It's really important before using it to practically to log in. If you go press the login, you can see we have this page which says, okay, you have a wallet provider and you authenticate with your wallet. If you click on it, click connect. Then you are good to go. You can also access our contacts smart contract. The contact smart contract is designed in a very sleek way to have a list of contacts, the address, and you can copy the address. So you have 5 contacts maximum for free. If you want more slots, you can buy more slots from by clicking on this button. You can refresh the contacts, or you can add a new contact if you want to. Let's see if it works. Try to add a new contact, and we click create the contact, and now yeah, you can see it has been created. Bear in mind that depending on your wallet, right now MetaMask is acting up, so the approval was shown in a different window than this one. I don't know exactly why, but you need to make sure you are checking the contact the wallet as well before creating the contact. So yeah, it's working quite fine, and I hope you will enjoy using our contact smart contract on the Ethereum platform. Bear in mind that it's working for now only on Arbitrum. So if you see here, it's on deployed on Arbitrum 1. This is due to the high cost of the Ethereum mainnet. but maybe who knows, in the future we will also deploy on Ethereum mainnet. Hopefully the fees will be lower. Thank you and hope you enjoyed our video for today, and let us know in the comments if you have suggestions, feedback, and don't forget to subscribe and yeah, let the world know about our small project. Thank you very much.
On this note, thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like and want to receive more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our channel, and all the best from AFIEther. Cheers!